want to give. I have like heavy duty.
I was like listening to music and the Cops theme song came on the other day. Sit. Iggy, sit. Wait.
You tell him to roll over.
You roll up. Okay.
Hello. We're here at Back Alley. Bite the Blizzard. Hello.
Nice. That's good. That's good. It's gonna do a little. Here it goes.
God, I'm cooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
No food and water.
Nice.
Did that? Congregation now.
You're safe.
Okay. We're all Midwesterners, all right? Stop being so city.
Roll out.
Roll out.
So like people literally think he like drives around and people like slow down around.
Dude, I get the worst looks, man. Okay, well.
Wait,
I don't wear-
you had
I
a
don't
big
wear-
duster. Hello.
You're on the same.
Well, the good news is when we don't. It's not an issue. Like he smokes cigarettes incessantly.
I saw her down here both times.
Movie or Event Horizon. Like we spent 3 minutes
Oh.
talking about Event Horizon. Like well, you were not gonna get work done. I'm gonna relax too much, and I'm just gonna
Take a nap there.
at the Schwitz.
Yeah.
I'm saying the Schwitz. You can do X and Y and Z at the Schwitz, and I feel like
You can do
Guys
everything.
used to be able to do X, Y, and Z. Yeah.
I went upstairs.
They have letters from someone who's asked to bring it back and why it's important to the co-community.
You know, maybe.
Yeah.
And he was there. He's like, yeah. I mean, when I started here, it was right when it was switching over ownership. And yeah, I used to be in the cleanup crew.
Oh.
Cleanup crew.
Woof. It was upside. It was right side up, but it still was like.
See if it could.
Oh, you know what? I didn't take that.
Is that a symbol? What's the
The pineapple is a generally means like a swingers or like
Like 5 of them and do them upside down and just see if that does anything.
just like make direct eye contact with people as you're like going around the grocery store?
just
A text conversation with people.
She's so funny. She's such a personality. Look at her dick. You know, she's so cute. She literally is. You're like,
contracts with the U.S.
Yeah.
And then like because we've been a leader there, we've had this like soft power where like whatever we do, everyone else just follows. Right. We're like.
roll out.
Roll out.